Okay, another day, another approved framework component. Okay, let's go inside the project that we want to showcase. So this is a simple page. So let's go to layers. I already added the component, which is this component, which is 0, 0. We don't need anything. You can do whatever size you can give it, because it doesn't render anything. Just leave it here. And for some, let's do, you can do whatever you want. This is here. It doesn't render anything in the canvas. So I added here, I have two pages. I have this home page and I have a template page, which is for the CMS that lists all the CMS entries, and I have a per entry page. So I want to lock this one and I want to lock this one. So if I came here, let's go to layers. I have this one, this password locker pro component. This component, those are the settings of the component. The component will be, the password will be 123. Those are the breakpoint. Those are local desktop. This is the lock screen. Okay, let's go to the lock screen first. So this is the lock screen that we want to show for desktop. I call it desktop view, and inside I give it a stack. This stack, this is the hierarchy, must be this way, must be a frame, and inside the frame we must have, this frame must be a stack, and this stack must have this specific ID, local desktop. If you gave, okay, let's first delete those two. So this is the local desktop. You can inside this stack do whatever you want, but the stack must have this skull ID and must have a form. This is just a simple form by this is a simple form from frame of forms. Let's go to forms. This is just simple, must be there. So let's go back. Okay, we have now inside this form, you can do whatever you want inside this stack. And for the animation, any animation can be here. However, no animation triggered by section in view, because when this local renders, it hides the pages, the underneath pages. So the underneath pages is not present. So this one will be the one. So we have desktop view, and inside this desktop we have a stack with an ID. This is the ID. And if you want to duplicate this one, and let's make it tablet view, tablet view, please. Again, the stack inside must have desktop locker tablet. And if you want to create another one for mobile, the stack inside must have local, I think call it local phone or something. Oh, where to get this name? If you can't find them, you're gonna go to the password locker, and here you're gonna have the local desktop page must have a local desktop. The local tablet must have an ID of local tablet, and for the mobile, the ID is local mobile. You're just gonna copy paste this one. So what I'm gonna do, this is, okay, let's change this. Let's make this a little bit smaller, and let's go, this one is for the tablet. Let's make it like so. Just, you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna change the fill here to see the differences. Okay, let's make this one red, and here for the fill in the mobile, we're gonna make it the green. And the other thing that you need to know is when this component is rendered, the desktop view and the direct child stack will fill the viewport horizontally and vertically in all the breakpoints. So this one and this one will have 100% of the width and 100% of the height, and in mobile those two will have 100% width and 100% of the height, and those two in the mobile. So if we want to do something, do it inside the stack. So okay, so I'm gonna go, this is will give us a overflow, so I'm gonna change it, just make it smaller. And this one, let's make it this one, so I'm gonna add a little bit z index. No, I'm gonna add a little bit of transform, just do a rotate of 90 degree. Let's do a 90-degree rotate. Okay, and let's add it here. Let's make it small, but in mobile this will not work. Let's make it 0, because in mobile will not work nicely. So you can design this one as you wish. So this is it. So what we're gonna do second is we're gonna go to desktop. We're gonna go to the password locker at the top of the page. It's recommended to add it at the top of the page, but you can add it whenever you want. Just this work just like a slideshow or something, or carousel that accept children. So I'm gonna go to the password. I'm gonna link this one. This one is linked with desktop view. I'm gonna link this one also. I'm gonna make it the locker tablet, and this one, the third one, will be the mobile. And here we have the breakpoint when to show those views. So we have the max mobile will have this one will have this one will appear up to this pixels, and the tablet will appear between these two, and the desktop will appear up this and up. And let's go back here. So please never forget to add the lockers. And here the page type, this is just a random page, a simple page, just page. So if we came here, we're gonna preview. Okay, I forgot the IDs. This is locker desktop, and this one is locker tablet, and this one is locker phone. Okay, they are good. Let me local mobile. This one be local mobile. This is why it appears. This must be a local mobile inside the stack. Local locker mobile, and with the dash. So if I preview, nothing, this one will not appear. So here if I did 111, if I want to unlock, no, it will look beautifully when we publish. So this is for this regular page. Now let's go to the CMS. This is a page listing all the CMS entries, and here we have a CMS entry page. So I want to log this CMS. So if I want to log the CMS, what we're gonna do, we have this one, the stack, and we have the password. The password component, I'm gonna make it, the code is 999, and here I just have this one, this desktop. You can do the mobile, but the thing that I want to show you here, which is the most important thing, is the page type. Here the page type is a CMS template, because this is a CMS template. And here we have the log mode. If you want to log all the CMS entries, or log post log, if you select this one, all these entries will be locked. But once one is locked, all of them will be locked. However, if you want to log post log, you can come here, select log post log, lock per slug, and here you add the locked slugs. The locked slug, this is Mercedes-Benz. This must be matching the slug. This slug must be matching. So let's get this Mercedes-Benz. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go with the Golf GTI. So let's get the Golf GTI, and I'm not gonna lock the Mercedes. I'm gonna lock the Audi and the slug for the GTI. So this is the page. I'm gonna publish, I'm gonna update, I'm gonna wait. So we're waiting. I'm gonna go here. First of all, this is the code must be 123. If I entered 555 and press enter, nothing happens. Must be matching this one. I give you this hint, 123 lock, and it's locked. So if I came here, I want to go the Mercedes-Benz is not locked, but however, okay, we have some errors here. Okay, let me open this one. No, I don't want to open this one. Okay, let me go here. Okay, not this one. Let's go here and publish from here. Okay, the code must be 123. Press enter. If I go to Audi, the Audi is locked. The code must be 999. If I give 555, nothing, must be 999, and is unlocked. This is unlocked. Audi is unlocked, and we have navigation. You can do that. If I came here, the Mercedes-Benz is locked. However, if you lock one, you unlock one, the others unlock. So this is the component. You can get it here from here. Let's see. Okay, you can get it from here. Those are approved from Framer. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.